Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and closely inspecting the damaged panel so you know how deep the scratch or dent is. This determines the method. Once done, use bright light and run your fingernail across the mark. If it catches, you're past clear coat. Make sure you have microfiber towels, 1,500-3,000 grit sandpaper, rubbing compound, and appropriate primer or touch-up paint ready. Begin on a small area to confirm technique before scaling up. You wet sand the scratch zone using 1,500-2,000 grit. Keep the surface wet and sand lightly until the edge feels smooth. This evens the clear coat. Next, apply rubbing compound with a microfiber pad in controlled circular motions to restore gloss. Let it sit briefly and buff off. If paint is missing down to primer or metal, make sure to prime first, then apply touch-up paint in thin layers, curing between coats so adhesion and color match hold. You finish by blending edges. If necessary, very lightly wet sand with 2,500-3,000 grit to remove high spots, then polish with a fine polish to restore shine. Once you achieve a uniform surface, seal and protect with wax or a ceramic sealant to prevent UV damage and future fading. If you see orange peel texture or color mismatch, try reblending the area or touch-up again. If problems persist, stop and consult a professional to avoid making the damage worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.